Hey guys, this is Pearson with MarineMax in Chicago, New Jersey. We're standing on our pre-owned 2016 270 SDX Outboard we took in on trade. Right now I'm on the swim platform, as you can see. Got a lot of space back here. Easily walk around the engine even with the engine tilted up, and this was actually powered by a 300 Verado. A nice sun pad here to lounge out on. And as you walk through the transom here, you do have a nice storage area that you can use as a cooler. So you don't have to even get up all the way in the boat to grab a drink if you're anchored up somewhere. Here too we have a freshwater wash, bigger fuel fill here. Nice little boarding step. If you were getting up on to a high dock or something, make it easy. Step up here, step on the gunnel. Get right on the dock. You're on the cockpit of this 270 SDX Outboard. As you can see, you get some nice wraparound seating here. You do have storage under your seats. It actually has a table storage under there. Right now we're under this bimini top that extends off the tower here. This does collapse if you got to go through a low bridge or something like that. Now on the port side of this boat, you got our lock and glove box. And we do have a head compartment. And both seats match. You got your helm seat here. It does have flip up thigh rise bolster, and then it does convert. So if you were anchored up just hanging out, you could be part of the conversation. But our helm here, you got your gauges, switching, and a Garmin that we've installed here on the dash as well. Now going up into the bow, you do have a wind door, and the windshield also closes too. So if it was a chilly day, or you're out in the morning or out in the evening, keep a little warm back here. It's nice up here. You do have some flip down armrests, plenty of space. You can sit 3 people up here while you're running and hanging out. And this boat also has a forward reboarding ladder. And wash down here as well. Again, this is Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our pre-owned 2016 270 SDX Outboard. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-207-3325.